The next fitting we're going to look at right next to it is a combination fitting. Both of these are combination fittings. A combination fitting means that you have two different raceways that you're joining together. So when looking at this, you can see the characteristics of a compression coupling. And the other end is what's new. So this end here is used for a flexible cable. So we call it flex. So a flex raceway, known as greenfield, this will allow you to connect the greenfield to a piece of EMT. That way your raceway can continue on its path. So it is a method of using it as a coupling for two different raceways. We have an EMT offset connector. As you see the angle here, this is a great fitting because when you're running and installing your conduit, sometimes it's really tight to put in an offset. So this particular connector is a labor saver and also works for short conduits. So this is a set screw EMT offset connector. For more information about Topaz products, please visit our website.